for the student of ML Khanna DAV Public School, Dwarka, for the student of pre-primary class, and the topic is general awareness. This is the map of India. India is my country. Here in the map of India, this red dot denotes New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Shri Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. Shri Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Shri Arvind Kejriwal is the Chief Minister of Delhi. There are four directions: east, west, north, south. Sun rises in the east in the morning. Sun sets in the west in the evening. There are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you know there are 12 months in a year? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. There are 365 days in a year. Wow! Beautiful and colorful rainbow. Do you know how many colors are there? There are 7 colors in the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Tiger is our national animal. Mango is our national fruit. Peacock is our national bird. Dolphin is our national aquatic animal. Lotus is our national flower. Hockey is our national sport. Tiranga is our national flag. Indian rupee is our national currency, and this is the symbol of Indian rupees. Banyan is our national tree. Now let's learn about some shapes. This is triangle. It has 3 sides. Rectangle. It has 4 sides. Star. Circle. Diamond shape. Hexagon. It has 6 equal sides. Pentagon. It has 5 sides. Square and oval. Water. Water is very precious for all creatures. All animals and plants need water to survive. If there was no water, there would be no life on earth. So, drink 6 to 7 glasses of water every day and be active and energetic. Do you know the sources of water? Let's look at here. Waterfall, well, river, hand pump, and rain. And we should not waste water. Now, it's time for quiz, and you will now answer few questions. Who is the President of India? Shri Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. What is the name of our country? Yes, India is our country. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Shri Narendra Modi ji is the Prime Minister of India. Which is our national fruit? Mango. How many days are there in a year? There are 365 days in a year. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Do you know which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? It is camel because it runs fast in the desert. Oh, how many letters are there in English alphabet? Do you know? Think. Which is our national tree? How many sides are there in a triangle? In which direction does the sun rise? Get up early in the morning and check. What do you call a type of shape that has five sides? Think again. Which month of the year has the least number of days? Think or ask your parent. Name four sources of water. What our Indian currency is called? Yes, rupees. Which is our national sport? Hockey. Which is our national aquatic animal? Yes, dolphin is our national aquatic animal. How many days do we have in a week? We have 7 days in a week. What is the shape of egg? It is not circle, it is oval shape. How many consonants are there in English alphabet? 21 consonants are there in English alphabet. Which is our national bird? Yes, a bird with colorful feather. Peacock is our national bird. Thank you. Have a good day.